Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on CUBOT King Kong 7. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox. And click search. And now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can make your Firefox browser as your main browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between devices, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.